In this video, I'm going to show you how you can compare two documents in Google Docs. This can be used for when you are checking edits from a collaborator, reviewing a contract against an older version, verifying that no one made unauthorized changes, or just double checking what changed between drafts without reading line by line. So as an example, I prepared 10 facts about parrots. I have two documents and there are some changes in between them. So I'm going to open one of them. I can click on Tools at the top. Then from the drop down, you want to select Compare Documents. And here you can choose any document from your drive which you want to compare with this one. So this is my another document. I can click on Open. Here you can choose who gets attributed for the changes found. So I can keep it on me and click on compare. Comparison is ready. Click on open again. And now it's going to show you all of the changes. So you can see in the new document, feed was replaced by feeds. Then section with number 6 was removed. So you can see it over here, delete, and this is the whole section. And you can basically see all of the changes on this right side. So you can see, for example, I did this bold text. And if you want to apply the changes, you can simply click on this accept suggestion. And now it's going to change feed to feeds. This is basically how you can compare two documents in Google Docs. It's way faster than manually checking for the differences. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.